Flamingos are what happens when nature decides to have a little fun with the color palette. Tall, slender, and impossibly pink, they look like runway models wading through lagoons. Yet beneath their glamorous appearance is a bird full of odd quirks and scientific mysteries. They dine upside down, sleep standing, and spend long stretches perched on just one leg, a pose that still leaves researchers scratching their heads. Flamingos are both beautiful and baffling, and perhaps that's what makes them so endlessly fascinating. Born gray, made pink. Contrary to popular belief, flamingos are not born blushing pink. They arrive into the world as rather ordinary-looking gray or white chicks, fluffy but unremarkable. Their signature color is the result of a highly specialized diet. Flamingos feast on algae, diatoms, and tiny shrimp packed with carotenoid pigments, the same compounds that make carrots orange and salmon rosy. Over time, those pigments transform drab young birds into dazzling pink adults. It's like going from a plain t-shirt to a couture gown, courtesy of lunch. Zoos often supplement flamingo diets with additional carotenoids to maintain their vibrant hue, because a faded flamingo just doesn't have the same star power. Dining upside down. If table manners matter to you, never dine with a flamingo. These birds eat by turning their heads upside down in shallow water, sweeping their curved bills from side to side like a living vacuum cleaner. Inside their unusual beaks are comb-like filters that trap edible particles while letting water and mud flow out. They even stir the sediment with their webbed feet to kick up more food. It's messy, efficient, and wildly unglamorous. A reminder that even the most stylish creatures sometimes look ridiculous at mealtime. The one-legged mystery. Perhaps the most iconic flamingo pose is the single-leg stand. That effortless yoga move birds hold for hours as if auditioning for a balance competition. Why they do this remains an open question, and scientists have chased answers with a determination worthy of a detective series. One early theory suggested that standing on one leg saves energy, keeping their muscles from tiring out. But experiments prove this unlikely. In fact, flamingos can move more quickly when they're already standing on both feet, meaning the one-leg stance isn't about being sprint-ready. Another idea points to heat conservation. Birds lose a lot of warmth through their long, bare legs. By tucking one leg close to their body, flamingos might stay warmer, especially since they spend most of their lives standing in cool, shallow water. Observations support this. More flamingos stand on one leg when the weather is chilly, while warmer days bring out the two-legged stance. Yet another theory suggests the pose might be tied to sleep. Like whales and dolphins, some birds can rest one half of their brain at a time, staying alert enough to watch for predators while snoozing. Standing on one leg could be a kind of unconscious balancing act. There's even speculation that keeping one leg out of the water may help avoid parasites or bacteria. The truth may be a mix of all these reasons, or something we haven't discovered yet. Flamingos, it seems, enjoy keeping some secrets. Life in pink crowds. Flamingos are not solitary thinkers, they are socialites. They gather in flocks ranging from a few dozen to over 1 million individuals. 1 million. Imagine the pink spectacle and the noise. These gatherings help keep the birds safe, since predators think twice before taking on a wall of pink legs and flapping wings. They also serve as the ultimate dating scene, where synchronized courtship displays take center stage. Picture hundreds of flamingos strutting in unison, heads bobbing and wings flaring, as if starring in their own ballet. In flight, they're just as striking. Flamingos travel in long, graceful lines across the sky, necks and legs stretched out like arrows tipped in rose and coral. On land, their postures are equally captivating, necks curled and twisted into improbable shapes that would impress any yoga instructor. Mud nests and bird milk. When breeding season arrives, flamingos turn into mud architects. They build tall, cone-shaped nests with shallow hollows at the top, often in colonies that look like bizarre pink construction zones. Each pair typically lays 1 egg, sometimes 2, and both parents share the month-long incubation duties. After the chick hatches, the parents feed it with a substance charmingly known as crop milk, a red, nutrient-rich secretion produced in their digestive system. Yes, flamingo parenting is equal parts devoted and slightly weird. The chicks grow quickly, leaving the nest after just a few days to join creches or bird daycares where they socialize with other young flamingos. Over time, their fluffy gray plumage gives way to the brilliant pinks and corals of adulthood. Flamingos may look like carefree divas, but raising the next generation requires a lot of teamwork. 6 shades of fabulous. While many people imagine just one type of flamingo, there are actually 6 distinct species, each with its own flair. The greater flamingo is the tallest and most widespread, ranging across Africa, southern Europe, and Asia. Its close relatives include the Caribbean flamingo, famous for its intense color, and the Old World flamingo found in Africa and parts of Europe. South America hosts the elegant Chilean flamingo, while the Andes Mountains are home to the high-altitude Andean flamingo and the James's flamingo, also known as the Puna flamingo. The James's flamingo was once thought extinct until an unexpected population turned up in 1956, proving that sometimes fabulous creatures simply prefer to stay off the grid. Then there's the lesser flamingo, the smallest but most abundant, often forming breathtaking pink seas across East Africa's soda lakes. Flamingos also puzzle scientists when it comes to their evolutionary family tree. They were once grouped with storks and herons, but they also share traits with ducks, geese, and even pelicans. Ornithologists still debate their closest relatives, so for now, flamingos are a bit like that eccentric cousin no one's quite sure how to place on the family chart. Humans, flamingos, and a long history of fascination. Humans have admired flamingos for thousands of years, sometimes in questionable ways. Ancient Romans considered flamingo tongues a delicacy, which says something about Roman culinary adventurousness. In modern times, flamingos have become cultural icons, from the plastic lawn ornaments of 1950s suburbia to tropical resort decor and Instagram selfies. They embody exotic beauty and vacation vibes, though their real lives are far from idle. Beyond the pop culture cliches, flamingos symbolize adaptability and resilience. They thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, shallow lakes that can be salty enough to burn human skin, or so alkaline they resemble natural chemistry experiments. Yet flamingos feed, breed, and raise families there with ease, turning inhospitable landscapes into pink wonderlands. The oddities that make them brilliant. Spend any time observing flamingos and you'll discover quirks that defy expectations. Their legs can actually lock into place, allowing them to balance without muscular effort. A built-in kickstand that makes standing on one leg surprisingly restful. Their voices range from honks to low murmurs, and in a massive flock, the sound is like a brass band warming up. Their migrations are unpredictable. Some groups stay put for years while others roam long distances when water levels change. And their courtship dances are a sight to behold. Hundreds of birds marching, bowing, and displaying wings in synchronized pink spectacle. No dating app required, still a mystery, still magnificent. For all the research devoted to flamingos, some puzzles remain unsolved. We don't fully know why they choose certain lakes and then abandon them, or how they time their breeding so precisely with environmental shifts. The single leg stance remains an enigma. Even their evolutionary history is still being pieced together. This air of mystery makes flamingos more than just pretty birds. They're living reminders of how much we still have to learn about the natural world. Their beauty is also functional. The pink hues signal good health and strong feeding ability, important factors in attracting mates. Their long legs let them wade where other birds can't reach, and their bizarre upside-down feeding style is perfectly adapted to their environment. Flamingos may look whimsical, but every detail serves a purpose. Lessons from a pink icon. Flamingos, in their quiet way, are masters of survival. They thrive in extreme habitats, turn murky water into a buffet, and maintain complex social lives. They stand out boldly in a world where camouflage is often the safer choice. They remind us that resilience can be beautiful, and that sometimes it's okay to stand out, even if you're standing on just one leg. So the next time you spot a flamingo, whether it's gliding across a lake, preening at the zoo, or staring blankly from a suburban lawn, take a moment to appreciate the real bird behind the symbol. It's not just an ornament or a vacation mascot. It's a creature of mystery, adaptability, and style. A living splash of color in a sometimes dull world, strutting confidently through life's lagoons, one elegant leg at a time. And that's the fabulous, mysterious world of flamingos, nature's pink runway models with a talent for balancing, dancing, and thriving in some of the harshest places on Earth. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible birds and want more wild animal wonders, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.